true. The things they say of you, you'll walk this earth, sharing with friends you knew all that they had, the work, the joy, the pain, that we might find the way to heaven again. And day by day